Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side and pick the settings button to open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have watermark option, so let's pick it. And now as you can see we can add 3 types of watermarks to our picture: the timestamp, device watermark, and now locked, the custom one. By using the buttons from the right we can easily turn on and off these two. As you can see we can add just one of this or both at the same time, and when we turn on device watermark we can unlock the custom one. Here when we pick it we can add our own text, for example hard reset, and save it. So as you can see the custom is connected with the device, we can't add this one without it. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings, and let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see these watermarks at the real one. Now we have to tap to this left button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have device watermark with the custom one, so we can get closer to it, Redmi Note 10s with hard reset, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to the camera, then to the right corner button, then left settings, tap to watermark and use this as we need, or just turn them off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.